According to Edgar Snyder and Associates, a law firm representing injured people, at any given time during the day, there are 660,000 drivers in the United States that are using their cell phones. From texting to emails to actual phone calls, the use of cell phones and driving is extremely dangerous. The benefits of this speech will show that driving and cell phones do not go hand in hand. I will preview the need for stricter laws regarding phones and driving, and what I think is the best proposed solution regarding driver safety. First, we begin with the need, okay? The need to be safer on the road. It starts with a need to educate. We need to educate the drivers. We need to educate the police officers, and hopefully some education from the actual phone companies giving correct information on telephone use. First, when we talk about need, we can start with the parents who hand their keys to their kid. As driving is a great excitement for new drivers, it can also be fulfilled with distractions and made aware that it needs to be taken more seriously. Same information we come with educating from the DMV. When people go to take their driver's test, they need to be educated on what dangers are associated with driving, specifically for teenagers who are just getting their license, all the way through drivers who have been driving for a long time. The plan as it stands right now is that currently 14 states in the United States prohibit all drivers from using handheld cell phones while driving, only 14. Now there are laws that require no other offense to be pulled over. However, it is not the primary offense in all states. There are no states currently that completely ban the use of cell phones in driving. However, currently there are 44 states that ban text messages for drivers, according to the state distracted driving laws. The amount of money for breaking the law of texting and driving varies all over the country. Some places are higher than others. Does that mean some states are taking it more seriously than others? The fine amount for texting and driving should be increased for people to understand this is a very serious issue. When laws are put into place to save lives, people should understand that this is a very concerning issue. It's a primary concern. It's important to set standards and guidelines, as in police departments. If they issue the ticket based on driving and texting, maybe people would take it more seriously. Driving should be viewed as a privilege, not a right. So let's look at a couple of visualizations of what driving and texting looks like. These are all pulled from motherjones.com texting and driving article. First one, drivers are 23 more times likely to crash while texting. $385 people who died in the car crash in the year 2011 where cell phones were related. In cell phone related crashes, it went up to 21,000. And finally, let's take a look at what each state charges for cell phone fines. So here in Nebraska, it's $200 if you are pulled over. It's not a primary offense, but if you are pulled over and you are caught on your phone, it is $200 fine. In other states, for instance, South Dakota, there's no ban on phones. North Dakota, $100. Alaska, $10,000 and a year in jail immediately if you break their phone law with driving. So in conclusion, states that do not allow driving and cell phones have lower traffic fatalities, according to Alexander 2014. Using your phone in driving is extremely dangerous. With heavier restrictions and proper information before the driving takes place can eliminate some of the distractions. We don't want to see more deaths be associated with driving. Please, help set an example.